Transform a Windows 11 desktop into a clean, modern, and personalized setup with these easy customization tips. Check my video description for this site link. This site has highest resolution wallpapers. You can search for whatever wallpaper you want. I simply search wallpaper and scroll down and pick the one you like the most. So you download that, set as background. It's the wallpaper. It looks so good. And now download this rain meter. You can find all the links in my description. You go on install. Once the installation done, unload these default skins. And now check my video description for this rain meter theme. Scroll down and select download option. After download done, select the skin and select install. Once this installation done, close settings. Unload this skin. We only needed the center one. Right click on the desktop and select view and select set this to show desktop icons. Now it looks beautiful. Now check my video description for this skin download link. Select this RMS skin, and once download done, select this skin and install. You can add whatever widgets you want. For this tutorial, I'm gonna add few. Monitoring, just turn this on and right click on the monitoring and select wide so it can show percentage wise. Turn on clock, note, and weather. Set the weather to medium. And on the music, it's really important. Calendar, and that's it. Now close the widgets. Arrange this to your web preference. You can type notes wherever you want. For me, more make more videos. There's some I need to save it for today. And calendar, place it. Click and select edit music. Music player is set to default. Whatever music you play, it will be shown here. Um, for some reason, I don't need clock. I have here. Just right click and select remove widget. And this looks awesome. Weather, you need to right click and select edit weather. And city, you need to type the city where you live. And click on save option. Press enter. Updating. It takes few seconds to update the weather and it's done. You can able to see CPU usage, RAM usage, disk usage, network usage. And now we need to install this final thing, WinHawk. Download this WinHawk. Once download done, install it like a normal application. Once install done, open the application WinHawk. The installation done, go to explore and you need to install these top three: taskbar styler, start menu styler, notification center styler. Go to details and select install and accept and install. Do the same thing for other. And once you've done this, go to home. Here you can able to see all three mods. Select the details in notification center styler. And here you can able to see all the notification style. Under here, it shows name. Now go to settings, click on drop down in theme. For notification, you need to select the transcolon shell and select save settings. You can see notifications transcolon and then select details in start menu. Here you can able to see all the start menu styles. Here it says the name. Go to settings, click on the drop down in theme and select transcolon start menu and select save settings. Here you can able to see transcolon start menu and then go back and select taskbar styler. Here you can able to see all the taskbar style You can pick the one. Here it says the name. Go to settings. So under theme, I'm gonna select this taskbar X double or line and save settings. And that's the final look. I'm gonna keep it. Just center is missing right here. It looks so beautiful. Personally, this setup I like the most. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.